Nanyang Technological University, Singapore is a world-leading university with outstanding strengths in sustainability research and development. NTU Singapore walks the green talk, developing and testing technologies on its smart campus to support better learning and living experiences, the discovery of new knowledge, and the sustainability of resources.
We have an ambitious goal to become one of the most eco-friendly campuses on this planet, if not the most eco-friendly campus on this planet by 2020. Why do we say this? We are almost there. Already, 54 of the 57 building projects comprising more than 234 buildings on our campus are Green Mark Platinum certified, which is equivalent to the LEED certification found in the US. That's 95% of all buildings here on the NTU campus. We'll try to convert the remaining 5% very soon so that we can have all 100% of them. A beautiful campus is also a living testbed for cutting-edge technologies that will benefit our university community, as well as Singapore and the world at large. This is a key component of NTU's vision in becoming a smart campus.
The university's main campus is frequently named among the top 15 most beautiful in the world. NTU was the first in Singapore to use prefabricated, pre-finished volumetric construction, also known as PPVC, in its construction. 3 residential halls at North Hill were the country's first public high-rise buildings to be built using this method. The university's newest sports hall, The Wave, utilizes a new passive displacement ventilation system to keep the interior cool. The cool air naturally sinks to the bottom while warmer air rises upwards and escapes by natural convection. The Hive, The Arc, and Academic Block North have all been designed to harness natural winds. Computer modeling of sunlight and wind patterns ensures that the buildings capture the airflow for natural ventilation. Chilled ceilings installed at Ariane's Cleantech 1 office cool the ambient air, which sinks down and keeps the occupants comfortable, saving some 30% in energy costs. Since 2012, NTU has deployed and tested several autonomous vehicles on campus, such as the Navya Arma. Early this year, NTU launched Singapore's first fully electric 22-seat shuttle, a result of a partnership with Blue SG. Fast charging and emission-free, it aims to be as efficient as tram systems. NTU is also collaborating with Volvo Buses in Sweden to develop the first fully electric and autonomous 40-seater bus. SMRT's Group Rapid Transit autonomous vehicle will be plying NTU roads by 2019. This minibus carrying 24 passengers navigates by following magnetic pellets embedded in the road. NTU is integrating multiple modes of transport into a single mobility platform, a concept called Mobility as a Service. Partnering with JTC and SMRT, it aims to integrate public transport networks with autonomous vehicles, bike-sharing systems, and personal mobility devices within NTU's campus and JTC's Cleantech Park. NTU has new technologies on the horizon that will power our homes and the industries of tomorrow. These range from solar to wind renewables, energy storage, and alternative fuels and energy sources. NTU's Renewable Energy Integration Demonstrator Singapore at Semakau Landfill is the largest hybrid microgrid testbed and research platform in the tropics. Jointly set up with Singapore's Economic Development Board and the National Environment Agency, it lets public and public stakeholders test and showcase their energy R&D technologies, including the integration of solar, wind, tidal, diesel, storage, as well as waste-to-energy and power-to-gas technologies. The Maritime Institute at NTU, supported by the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore and Singapore Maritime Institute, has launched the region's first maritime energy testbed to support R&D activities in smart shipping over the next 10 years. With the amount of waste and ash generated daily, it is estimated that Singapore's Semakau landfill site will run out of land space by 2035. To address this issue, NTU's Nanyang Environment and Water Research Institute has set up the first gasification facility in Singapore to explore waste management through an integrated approach. The Delta NTU Corporate Laboratory for Cyber-Physical Systems is one of 5 corporate laboratories at NTU supported by the National Research Foundation, Singapore. The 45 million Singapore dollar corporate lab aims to develop cyber-physical systems ranging from large infrastructure systems such as water and power distribution to emerging consumer systems such as the Internet of Things. NTU Smart Campus, a living testbed of sustainable technologies.